It is about 11 a.m. I already had breakfast and I was editing Monday's vlog because I'm still behind. But I think after today I should be up to date. Hopefully. Maybe you'll see this in like a week. I don't know. Who knows? But anyways, right now I am going to go to Costco. Hopefully there's not like a big line. I tried to go on Monday and the line was huge. So hopefully right now being a little earlier it'll be better because I need to buy a couple last minute gifts. I'm out of breath. Yesterday's vlog I need to edit today too, so I'll probably post that in a little bit once I get home. But yesterday kind of got derailed. We were supposed to go to Total Wine and we were on our way to Total Wine and Francisco got sideswiped by a ginormous truck while we were in his car and they didn't want to stop. Finally, we told them that we were going to call the cops on them and then they were like, oh yeah, we'll stop now. So the cops didn't even show up. They said that we could figure it out on our own. So we ended up just getting the other person's information and we reported it to their insurance, but their car was like trashed, so clearly it wasn't the first time that they did that. And even the insurance person that we talked to on there, and they were like, oh yeah, they're not a very good driver. So that's great. Thank God that the car only got like a few scratches. It's still drivable, but we're probably not going to drive his car. We don't drive it anyways that much. We usually drive mine and we're okay. I mean, it was just a little scary because there was a car parked on the right side because they hit us on the left side. And Francisco's car, it's kind of sensitive, so it kind of loses control very easily. And when they hit him, I guess they hit his tire, so it kind of like jolted and it threw him to the right because of the impact. But he was able to get back on the road really quick and we didn't hit the car that was parked. So I don't know, it wasn't like a crazy outcome of the car, but in the moment it was scary. So anyways, I'm just glad we're okay and it wasn't like a bigger deal and then nobody got hurt and everything. But the lady, I'm pretty sure she was under the influence of something. So just people being irresponsible and not caring for others, and it's just really, really annoying. You could be the best driver, but it just takes one dummy to not be paying attention and there goes the accident. So we ended up just coming home yesterday and just relaxing, and I made those crackers that I showed you guys, the little cinnamon crackers, and we just relaxed and didn't go anywhere anymore. But today is the 23rd, so today might be actually a pretty long vlog. I'm not sure what's going to be in this vlog yet because I need to make a ton of things for tomorrow, because tomorrow I don't want to have to be running around last minute making things. So I want to get a few things done today as much as I can, so that tomorrow I don't have to be doing anything. My sister works, Francisco doesn't, so we'll just be waiting for her to be able to leave. And I told her whatever she wants to make to try to make it today as well. So there might be a lot of things being shown on this vlog, so get ready. Hopefully you guys will be enjoying it. And yeah, everything that I show, of course, will be linked below in case you guys want to remake it or something. And if you do, let me know, because I would love to see what you guys remake. But anyways, I'm gonna start rambling now, and I'm gonna go to Costco and we'll see what else we end up doing. But for now, let's go to Costco. Fingers crossed that it's not very packed. Hello everyone, I just got done eating lunch. I ended up just doing eggs and sausage. We had breakfast for lunch because I was just in a rush and I didn't have to think about it. Anyways, I am home now and I wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up from Costco. Not everything, because some things are gifts and I don't know if if the person that I'm giving it to might be watching this. So yeah, let me show you guys a few things I got. So I ended up getting this pajama set, which is so cute. It's from it's with Disney and it has little Mickey Mouse and stars all over it. They didn't have sizes, so I ended up getting a small, which sadly did not fit, so I might have to take it back. Then also got a set of these underwear, because my favorite underwear is that Costco used to carry. They don't anymore, but these are not what I like and they will not fit either, so I'm gonna take these back. But that kind of sucks. Excuse me, sir, do you mind? Hey, it's not for you, get off. Then I also got this zip up, what is it, quarter zip little sweatshirt, and it's from Fila, and they were only like $6.97. Kind of crazy. I can't believe it. They only had like mediums and smalls though. They had them in blue and all white, so I ended up getting this medium in blue, and then I got my sister the small in white, and they're super cute and they fit really nice. They're super warm. They have pockets, and then they have these little like adjustable string for your waist, which I don't need, but it's nice to have. And then it has the little zipper that goes all the way up to your neck, and apparently it's cat friendly. But yeah, I'm super excited that I got this and that they still had some sizes left. And I was gonna get the white, but then I figure I ruined everything that's white, so it was probably better that I got the blue. And I also ended up getting these, which are tags, and I'm not sure if they're stickers or how you attach them to the gifts, but we were out and they were only $7 for how many, 60 of them. So oh, there it is. So it says 60 are gift tags, 24 are peel and stick tags. So I'm not sure which is which. Either way, they were so cute. I love that they have some Disney ones, some princess, and then like your typical little holiday ones. Super cute. These up here are so pretty. Like they even have like fur on them. So anyways, yeah, that way I can finish wrapping our presents because I had to stop since I ran out of tags. And oh, look, these have little lights on them. That's so cute. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get started on the colamono. It's about 2 o'clock because you need to kind of let it boil for a little bit and have all the flavors kind of mixed together. At least I think you do. I need to make sure. But I don't have vodka right now. I just realized that right now. You're not supposed to add the liquor until it's cold. So I have the little jar there ready to go for when I have to pour it in or pour it out. Why is this word? And yeah, so let me show you guys all the ingredients that I'm gonna use. I'll put all the measurements below because it's my mom's recipe. I need to write it out and stuff because, well, first I'm gonna try it out and see if I like everything in it. She said it's pretty much to taste, so if you like more chocolate, you add more chocolate. If you like more coffee, add more coffee, etc. You want to make this, you're gonna need some milk. We use lactose-free milk, so that's just what I'm gonna use. You need some instant coffee. We have this one, which is Francisco's, but it's a espresso coffee. You will need some cinnamon. I have both ground and whole cinnamon, like the sticks, so I'm probably gonna use both. You'll need some evaporated milk. I have both coconut milk and regular milk. I think I might mix them and see what that tastes like. And then I also have condensed milk. I wasn't able to find 2 of these, so I just had condensed coconut milk, and I'm hoping that will taste similar. We'll see. I don't know. That might ruin it all. We'll find out. And then I have some, you're supposed to use chocolate, but I have cocoa powder, so I'm going to be using that. And some vanilla. So those are all the ingredients that you'll need to make. Oh, and of course, your liquor. You can use any liquor that you really like. I use vodka because that's what I like, but you can use tequila, whiskey, you name it. It's completely up to you. The original calls for pisco, which is a Chilean liquor that you cannot find here in the United States. So you just work with what you can. Alright, so this is ready to be poured out. It got a little bit, I don't even know what you call it, goopy on top because of the milk that just sits on top. But I'm gonna strain it right now, and that's all gonna get stuck on the top. So yeah, it tastes so delicious. I just tasted it and it's perfection. I'm so excited. All right, so she is in the process of making alcohol, as she says, and she has some egg yolks, sugar, and that's it.
And butter, a lot of butter.
And a lot of butter going there. And then here we have some wine because we need to calm our nerves. Some water for responsible people. And then today we just went to pick up these cute little, these 2 bottles to put some of the colemono in them. We're gonna give some away. This one I already had from IKEA, but obviously I only had 1, so I ended up buying 2. And then over here, I'm gonna make more of the colemono, second batch. And then I ended up picking up a handle of the Tito's, which is what I'm gonna add to the colemono that's already been cooling in the fridge. We're gonna taste it. Hello, it is 10 p.m. and we've been on a mission. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go to the store for like a whole 24 hours, which doesn't say much. I say that because I'm probably gonna need something and I'm gonna have to go back. But I think if I need something, I told Francisco we're not going back out. Come on, tacos.
Tacos right now?
I'm hungry, but I'm not gonna get any. Anyways, what did we eat for dinner? Oh, the meatballs. We have been looking for evaporated milk, and so okay, I used coconut evaporated milk for the colemono I'm making, and so we've been looking for evaporated milk because apparently the coconut milk I bought originally to make the colemono, and I showed you guys earlier, broke up and it became super slimy after it cooled down, and it looks very unappealing and it's so sad. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to save it. Maybe drinking it hot breaks down the sliminess. I don't know, but I can't give that away because it just looks, it tastes fine, but it looks very unappealing. So that's unfortunate. So I'm gonna make a whole new batches probably today and tomorrow, something, I don't know. And then we ended up buying more glass bottles so we can give some away and take some tomorrow. And then we were looking for evaporated milk. We went to Target, they didn't have any. We went to Sprouts, they didn't have any. Finally, we ended up at Smart & Final, and they thankfully had a bunch. So we ended up buying enough for 3 batches. And we have everything else at home. So now we're just gonna go home and finish that up. We probably won't be done until late. We didn't even make your cookies. So we'll probably have to make the cookies while I'm making that. I don't know, because my sister's cooking too, so it's a freaking mess in our kitchen.
Well, maybe we can do them tomorrow.
But anyways, now we're gonna go home and do the colemono all over again, and hopefully it'll be delicious and worthy of giving away. Guys, we have MacGyvered our fridge to make these fit to cool overnight. This is true MacGyvered right here at its best. This here, it's a postal office box. This here, it's a cutter. It's being held by 2 cheeses, or cream and a cheese. So let's hope that tomorrow they're still alive and nothing happened. There we have the drinks cooling, which were a headache as well, and we'll have to wait and see what tomorrow this looks like.